Okay. Pop a few of these tabs loose. Woo. And then when it busts apart, let's falling out. Okay. Looking at the pieces. Okay. Seems relatively simple. See, first you got your board. As you can see, you got all your little connectors for all your buttons, your indicator light at the top, and at the bottom you have your place for your batteries. And what's on top of that is a little rubber overlay that has all the buttons on it. You have your casing, which has a few extra little pieces that pop out and go everywhere. Alright, now let's see if I can put this thing back together in some shape or form. Okay, we're going to start. I'm missing a piece. Yeah. Little battery cover went away. Anyway, we're going to start with a little bottom piece. And hopefully we'll just put the little indicator light through the hole. Pop the circuit board back down on it. Get your overlay to line up. Then your little centerpiece. And you say the OK button. Put that down on the middle. And then put your little diamond on top of it. And we're going to pop this back on. Like so. And it just pops right back on, and there we go. And the OK button's a little stuck. And, well, presumably if I had some batteries and a TV that this went to, the remote would still be functional. The buttons seem to still be buttony. And there you have it, a Vizio remote control.